Hey guys, what's going on? Keisha J here, and thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reupholstering this stool. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first you want to flip that bad boy over and remove all the screws. You can do this by using a screwdriver or an electric screwdriver. So once I had the cushion removed, I noticed that this sidebar was broken on both sides. And the only thing that was holding it together was this faux fur that the previous owner had stapled around it. So we're going to remove this fur from around the stool. You can see here where that bar was broken. Now it's time to repair the broken part of the stool. In order to do that, you're going to add some wood glue to the parts that's broken, just like you see here. And then you're going to reapply that bar just the way it goes. If you have any like pieces, you want to also glue those pieces where they go. Once you have it glued together, you're going to clamp it, and then you're going to let that dry overnight. Once you're done with the glue, you want to wipe away any excess amount of the glue away. So now it's time to start reupholstering the cushion. You want to flip this over and remove all the staples from the back. You do this by using a staple remover. This staple remover is especially made for reupholstering. My hands are especially ashy in this video, so y'all will have to excuse my hands. Don't come for my ashy hands. So here's how that board looked once all the cushion and all the fabric had been removed. Okay, so to make this like new, we're going to add brand new cushion. So this is what you will see me doing here in the next few clips. To start, you want to cut the cushion down to size. You'll cut the cushion to the size of the wood seat. Here I'm using just a regular razor blade to cut the cushion. This part is optional, but I'm going to use the Elmer's spray adhesive to spray the back of the cushion to attach to the wood seat. It just gives it a more secure hold. As you can see here, at the very last minute, I decided to go around this wood plank and glue extra pieces around it just to make it more soft and more fluffy. Now it's time for the fun stuff. So to start, you want to lay your fabric on the wrong side facing up. Then you're going to place your wood plank, your cushion, in the middle of your fabric. So once you have your fabric cut out, measured to size to your cushion, you want to just start stapling around the wood plank. This is what's going to secure the fabric to the cushion. You want to make sure that you're placing these staples fairly close to one another. You don't want to spread these out. Also, you want to make sure when you're stapling that you're pulling the fabric tight so you won't have any loose fabric. Also, you want to make sure that when you're stapling, when you get to the end, you want to leave about an inch with no stapler on the end. I'm going to show you why in just a few minutes. Okay, so this is how it looks once you're completely done stapling. So I mentioned earlier that you want to leave about an inch of unstapled fabric on the edges. Here's why. I'm gonna show you how you pleat the edge so that it looks neat, so that you're able to staple it down. Here's how that pleated edge looks. Once you're done upholstering, you cover it with this dust cover. Here's how it looks when you're done stapling the fabric to the cushion. Where the stool had to be repaired, we needed to cover up where we repaired the stool. So you just add a little wood filler. Once it's dried, you just sand it down. Just that easy. Once I sanded down the wood filler, I went on to painting the base of the stool. I used a Magnolia Home in the color Garden Trowel, which is a beautiful, beautiful gray. I did 2 coats of this paint. So after the second coat of paint dried completely, I sealed the paint with Magnolia Home furniture wax. Once that was complete and dried, I added the stool or the cushion back on top of the base and screwed that back in. Once that was done, voila! Perfection. The stool was done. No, but seriously, I really enjoyed doing this project for you guys. If you enjoyed it just as much as I did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and in the comments below, let me know how you liked it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.